guys, welcome back to my channel. With 2025 around the corner, I am here to help you set the tone for the best year yet. So in today's video, we're going to be creating a vision board together. We're going to be manifesting our 2025 goals. Okay, so if you don't know what a vision board is, this is what a vision board is. A vision board is a collage of images, words, and symbols that represent your goals, your dream, and aspirations. It's also known as a dream board or a goal board. Okay, so vision boards can be used for long-term planning and to motivate you to achieve your goals. They can help you get clear on your goals, shift your mindset, feel happy, connect to areas of your life, and improve your chances of success. Okay, so that is what we're going to be doing for 2025. Are you guys ready? I've always been someone who set goals for my year every single year, and baby, that has paid off so greatly. The fact that I'm where I am now, I think is because I was able to set strategic goals in every single year. So today I'm going to be doing that with you guys also. So what are you going to need for this? So this is very optional. Okay, this is very optional. It depends on what kind of girly you are. Okay, so if you're a girly that wants it to be printed out and sticked on like you want it to be like a frame, you're going to need your glue, you're going to need your printout, you're going to need like a frame. Okay, but for me today, I'm just going to be using my iPad. I'm going to be showing the girlies how to just keep it on their tabs actually. Okay, I'm going to show you how to keep it on your tab because sometimes we want privacy. Okay, you're going to make it your lock screen or something so you can actually see it every day, but you don't want it printed out. It just depends on you. Okay, and I'm also going to show you the way you can finish it on here and print it out. Okay, print it out into a frame and it's still going to work as fine. So it just depends on what you want. But first of all, you just need your phone or a tab, anything, basically anything that connects to the internet that you can get access to pictures. That's all you need. I'm going to let you know the apps you need today. We're going to be using 3 apps for today's tutorial. I'm going to be using the ChatGPT, I'm going to be using Canva, and I'm also going to be using Pinterest. So those are the 3 apps I'm using for today. The first step in creating this vision board is envisioning your life, envisioning the life you want by the end of 2025. Okay, that's the first step we're going to go about. So for me, I'm going to tell you what I want. Maybe I will not spill all the tea, but I'm going to tell you the main thing I want is I want a good body. I want to eat healthy because eating healthy actually affects my whole hormones. It affects my acne and everything. So I want to start eating healthy. I want clear skin, like I said. So eating healthy, clear skin, like even skin tone, my body too. Okay, I want to start dressing really nice. I want to practice my fashion sense. Okay, I want to elevate myself. I want to earn more. Okay, so that's just it. So you envision what you actually want for yourself and you're going to like list them out. Okay, are you getting me? Are you following? So you're going to list what you want by the end of 2025. So that's the first step. Next step is for you to go ahead and divide your goals into different sections. So you might have your family, maybe you want to do better when it comes to family. You might have business, you might have personal relationship, personal growth, body care, whatever it is, just go ahead and categorize them into the category you want them to fall into. Okay, so the next thing we're going to go ahead to get our visual materials, our visuals. Oh my god, visuals. I cannot pronounce it for the life of me. Oh my god. Anyway, the next step is to get the materials you need. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open Pinterest. Okay, so with Pinterest is very easy. You just want to go ahead and type on what you want to do better on. Like I said, I want to do better in the way I dress and also my eating habits and stuff like that. So I'm going to go to eat healthier, right? And I'm going to search for like recipes. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to go ahead and search for just pictures that I want to make sure you're choosing pictures that like speaks to you. So whenever you see it, it kind of like draws you in. Do you get me? So don't just go ahead and start picking random images. Go for pictures that attracts you and also pictures that would speak to you also. And you want to go in there and also add like text. You want to go there and add like symbols, whatever speaks to you. Honestly, this is your personal vision board, so you want to go ahead and design it the way you want. You must not follow anything I'm saying, okay? You want to do this to your own digression, okay? So that's it. So my lovelies, after getting all your visuals, okay, I think I'm pronouncing it well now, okay? So after getting them, you're just going to use your Canva app right now. So I'm going to go right into Canva. Okay, so you're just going to go into Canva, search for vision board. You can go ahead to make your own, depending on, you have to take in consideration if you're going to be printing this, if you're going to be using this as your phone screen, if you're going to be, whatever you're going to be using it for, you have to put it at the back of your mind, okay? So that would determine the size you're going to make your vision board, okay? But me, I'm going to keep it on my tab anyway, and I'm just going to type vision board on the search panel. So vision board, there are templates for you to choose from, different templates. If you use the pro option, you're even going to get a lot more, okay? But it doesn't matter if you're using pro or not, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just search, or let's create it plain. What do you think? Let's do it plain. Let's do it together. Let's create it plain. But I'm just telling you that you have different options in choosing, like, see, like you have a lot of options. Show more. You have a lot of options if you're choosing from Canva. So, but let's do it plain, okay? I'm going to just choose one random vision board and then I'm going to clear it. How about that? So I like this. I like this. I like this. So I'm just deleting everything because we're going to be working fresh. Okay, I am not creative, everybody. Let's just say that. I am not creative. I'm going to do this to my own, my own flair. So you can go ahead to add whatever juice or spice you want to add to yours. I'm just going to do mine in a way I feel comfortable with and something that will resonate with me also. Go ahead and upload all the files I'm going to be using, all the photos I'm going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and upload them into Canva. So now I'm done uploading all the footage I need. I'm just going to go ahead and select a category together. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this balanced diet. I'm going to click on this body, okay, because the body and the balanced diet are going together. I'm going to click on this. I don't know, this image is a lot, but I just really liked it when I saw it. Then this back. Oh my God, I do not even know if a back is attainable, but I really just like it. It really spoke to me when I saw it. So yeah, that's why it's here. Don't ask me question next year if you don't see my back like this. But yes. So now I'm going to go ahead and just section the ones we've chosen. I'm just going to go ahead, make it smaller. Yes. Make it smaller. You can layer on top. So you go to position, or where's position? Or you go to layer and then you bring forward. So it will stay on top of the rest of the images. Then I don't think I need this balanced diet, honestly. Like that's fine. I don't know. I said this picture just spoke to me also. It doesn't really look, but yeah, it's my vision board. So you gotta deal with it. So I'm just going to put this in the middle here. Okay, so you just want to play around with it until you end up with what you like. So now I'm going to go to elements. I just need like a shape. So I'm going to write something in it. I'm going to make it white. Or should we do gray? Gray on the vision board. Oh, what color, guys? I did not choose a color scheme. Should I use... There's so many options. I'm confused. Okay, purple. What would really cost me? What's my color for next year? I'm thinking green because I want money. Okay, green it is. Green it is. No, just don't say anything. Green it is. If it doesn't come out pretty, It's fine. Okay, so I'm going to add text. Okay, so we're going to do heading, and I'm just going to write, it's healthier. It's healthier. It's healthy and gets your body goals and gets your body goals. How cute is that? So my lovelies, that is what is looking like for our first section, okay? And honestly, these 3 images I picked, they speak to me true and true, okay? So that is what the first section is looking like. What do you think already? So I'm going to go ahead and just keep going and then finish up. So I'm going to keep some dollar here because baby can want to make money. Okay, now let me leave that for now and let me go into dressing well. So these were the images that spoke to me when I, thought about dressing well. So I love this. And Aliyah Face. If you don't know Aliyah Face, she's a YouTuber, a content creator. I love her. I love her dress sense. I love that she's into like Pilates and, gym and everything. I just love her. So I'm including her in my vision board. Okay. So then I actually got a statement also to pair with this. Why can't I find it? Did I not send it? Okay, so dress like you're already famous. So that's the quote I'm going with for this. So like I said, you can go ahead to include symbols, whatever speaks to you. So I'm just going to cut this up because I do not need the rest of the image. So dress like you're already famous. I'm going to put this at the end. Just make it smaller. Okay. It's so cute already. I love it. I love it already. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish it up and then I'm going to show you the end results. Now you're done with your vision board, what's the next thing for you to do? So the next thing for you to do is to go ahead and place that vision board somewhere very visible, somewhere you would always see it every single day so that it's able to hit your subconscious to make sure you're still in line with your goal, okay? So it doesn't matter as far as you can see it every day. You can go ahead to print it out, but if you're a very private person, you live with a bunch of people, you don't want them to get in your business, which is totally fine. You can go ahead and, make it your lock screen, make it your wallpaper, whatever works for you. You understand me? Just make sure it's something you can always see every day. You can print it out and just print it out in the small paper and keep it somewhere. Whatever works for you, okay? This is you and your goal, so make sure you're doing whatever works for you, okay? So the next thing you want to make sure you're doing is your journaling. It's very important to always do this monthly check-in with yourself, self-assessment every month, okay? It's very, very important. So when you do this monthly check-in, you make sure you're still in line with the goals you've set for yourself, okay? So I do this I try to do like daily check-ins and monthly check-ins, not so regularly, but I try my best to make sure I follow up. And I also do half of the month. So basically my birthday is in June. So I always do a birthday check-in. And I love the fact that it's just like half of the year. So I'm doing and I don't know if it's because it's my birthday. I just always do it. So it kind of just keeps me in check. And I'm like, oh, we have 6 months left. What have you achieved? What are you going to do the next year? Okay. So that's it. So this is the part where ChatGPT can help us out. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in what I want. So let me show you how this is going to help in what you're going to journal and what you're going to, check in daily and monthly. So you're going to go into ChatGPT. So I've gone ahead to type what I'm going to, what I want you to type. So you're saying, I'm trying to have a more positive and better life next year. I want to lose so and so kg, have more money, have a better car, be more organized and disciplined. What are the daily/monthly steps I have to take to become this better version of myself? Okay, so ChatGPT is going to help you. It's going to tell you, okay, your goals are clear and inspiring. This is what it told me. Okay, breaking them into manageable daily and monthly step can help you stay focused and consistent, which is true. So here's a roadmap to guide you. So I went ahead to do the daily step, the monthly step, and blah, blah, blah. So you just go ahead and look through this, kind of get ideas on what you should be journaling and what you need for the year. Okay, so that's very important. I hope these tips were helpful. Okay, I really do hope they were. So my lovelies, in all of this, I really hope to have helped you to ascertain a better 2025 for yourself. Okay, so whatever the goal might be, just make sure you keep pushing on. Make sure you do not give up, because nobody really knows tomorrow. Do not give up, no matter whatever the situation may seem. Okay, it's only temporary, trust me. Sometimes you might feel like you're hitting a wall and baby, it's just plastic, like you can literally just break through it. So do not overthink things. Try your best to slow down, at the same time move forward. I don't know if I'm making sense, but you get me, right? So my lovelies, thank you so much. I really hope this tip helped you, because they really helped me in my life and in my progress so far. And I really hope it's going to make you better. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, my lovelies, and I'll see you in my next week video. Love you so much. Mwah. Bye. So make sure to watch the next video, because YouTube thinks you love it. So make sure to check it out.